The first one is pause and resume a scan. You can now pause a scan in progress and resume it later, which is especially useful for larger scans that may take several hours to complete. Let's take a look at this scan, for example. If you want to pause a specific target while the scan is running, you have to simply press this button. Once the button is pressed, the scan of that target will enter a pause state, and the scanner will stop performing new attacks on the target. However, any ongoing probes will be completed before pausing. The new scan state is visible in column Progress, and the only action available when a scan is paused is to resume it by pressing this button. If a scan, as in this case, includes multiple targets, the scan state on the home page will still appear as processing. This is because the scan contains two more targets that are being audited. When a scan doesn't contain any more running scans, the state on the home page will be paused. It is important to note that a whole scan cannot be paused at once. However, if you want to resume a paused scan, you can do it by pressing this button on the home page. And please take into account that if the unit is powered off, any paused scan will be terminated, and powering on the unit again, the paused scan will be marked as connection lost.